Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will do an overview of Port Finance. But before that, let's check the Port token. Port Finance has organized the pre-sale of the token on 7th August for the whitelisted address, and the token distribution will start within a few hours. If you missed the token pre-sale, you don't need to worry. Port token is also launching on AscendX and Project Serum. Trading of the Port token will start today at 2 p.m. UTC. Now let's see what is Port Finance. Port Finance is the first non-custodial liquidity protocol on Solana. They offer various products like variable rate lending, fixed rate lending, and interest rate swaps. Port Finance users can take advantage of lower collateral ratio. A lower collateral ratio means you can borrow more funds against less collateral. For example, you can check the comparison between Port Finance, Compound, and Aave. The minimum collateral ratio is only 115% on Port Finance, which is almost 20% lower than the other two. And you can also check the liquidation penalty and borrow fee. The liquidation penalty fee is only 1 to 2% on Port Finance, and the borrow fee is only 0.1% of the borrowed amount. One of the best things about Port Finance is it runs on the Solana blockchain. This means you don't need to worry about crazy gas fees like Ethereum blockchain. Now let's see the roadmap of the Port Finance. They almost completed everything from the August month, and next month they will implement the governance module. The governance module will allow the user to vote on protocol parameters. You will need Port tokens to participate in the governance, and next month they will launch more exotic assets like Mercurial LP tokens. Now let's see how to use Port Finance. Open port.finance, click on the Go to App button. This will open Port Finance mainnet. Now click on the Connect Wallet button. You can choose any wallet of your choice. I am going to use Solid Web Wallet. You don't need to install anything. Solid Wallet works directly from the web browser. Click on the Confirm button. You will see the seed phrase for your new wallet. Select I have saved these words in a safe place. Download the backup of your seed phrase. Do not share your seed phrase with anyone. Click on the Continue button. Enter the seed phrase and click Continue. Enter a password for your wallet. Click Create Wallet button. Now click Connect button. Here you will see all the details like current market size, total borrowed amount, etc. You also get the supply option. Here you can deposit your funds and use the funds as collateral to borrow funds. You can go to the borrow option to borrow the funds. As you can see in this message, no deposit, please deposit and enable collateral. You need to deposit funds under the supply option to use the borrow option. And I think after depositing the funds, you will also see leverage and other options. Overall, Port Finance is a very good project, and the Port coin is also a very good investment for the long term. I think this is enough for this video. If you still have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.